Today is a new beginning, not just of a new day, a new month, but also of a new partnership, a new promise. Not only is it going to be loved for its magnificence today, but it is also going to transform the way future generation is going to commute.
It is really a very, very proud moment for us today. It's a privilege to partner with the state of Goa in the first of its kind public-private partnership, which has been pioneered over here today. And I think it is a tribute to the vision and the progressive policies which are there, which are being championed by our minister as well as his team in Goa, that we are looking at healthcare with a long-term perspective.
Tying up with Sanofi India is an important moment for us as far as the government of Goa is concerned, because this is a program, and on this scale we are taking up this program, which is going to deal with 2,000 schools. All of you must have seen now on the screen the type of material that is going to be used, the type of training program, as mentioned by Mr. Rajaram, on the scale it's going to be taken forward. All of you know that lifestyle disease on the NCD platform, there are several diseases, and as he's mentioned, the diabetes ranks number 3. Diabetes is one of those silent killers that leads to several complications in the state of Goa. In the state of Goa itself, we find that the number of people suffering from diabetes is very, very high. And why should we reach that stage where complications and people suffering with several complex issues related to diabetes, why should we reach that particular point? As mentioned by Dr. Radha, is that we already have put in place the Changing Diabetes Barometer program. And today, looking back and trying to start from the schools and from the age group that has been mentioned here, is that creating that type of awareness, strengthening the program, strengthening the healthcare, bringing in that type of counseling that is required, and also creating the awareness type of materials that are being provided. I would like to specify, because when you saw the video, there are specific information booklets for children, specific information booklets for the parents, specific information. Why I'm stressing on this is it's very important, because this is not only going to change what we have in Goa, but this is also going to reduce diabetes in the future in the state of Goa by creating that type of awareness among the children and among that age group. Targeting a student population of 1.5 lakhs is a vast program in the state of Goa. I am really grateful for Sanofi for coming forward and helping us tie up with you. Sanofi's partnership with Government of Goa is the first state partnership in the country. And also what I would like to mention is that when you talk about diabetes, and when you talk about the awareness and detection of type 1 diabetes, and then counseling them and ensuring that we take care of these children from that age, so that they don't reach type 2 and it doesn't become a complication in the future.